Apparently, the DeepSeek app was just banned by the U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy has indeed banned the use of the DeepSeek app among its members. The ban was enacted due to security and ethical concerns associated with the app's origin in China and potential risks related to data security and privacy. This directive applies to both work-related and personal use by Navy personnel. The decision was communicated through an internal email to Navy members, urging them not to download, install, or use the DeepSeek model in any capacity. This move reflects broader concerns within the U.S. government about foreign AI technologies and their implications for national security. I fed some information to X's Grok, including the Google App Store's data safety specs on DeepSeek. The link is listed. The following is the reply I received from Grok regarding my privacy and security concerns. When you install the DeepSeek app, based on the information available on Google Play, here's what you might need to divulge. Profile information. This includes your date of birth, username, email, phone number, and password. This information is collected when you create an account or sign in. User input. Any text or audio inputs you provide to the app are also collected. This means that all your interactions, chats, or queries within the app could be stored. Automatically collected information. The app collects device and network connection details such as your device model, operating system, IP address, system language, and even keystroke patterns or rhythms. However, it's important to note there's a distinction between using the app hosted by a service versus downloading it for private use. If you host your own instance of DeepSeek, registration and sharing of personal information might not be mandatory. There have been concerns raised about the privacy policy and the extent of data collection, with some users and commentators on social platforms warning against sharing any sensitive or private information with DeepSeek due to how their terms allow the use of your data. This information should give you a clearer picture of what installing and using the DeepSeek app entails regarding your personal data. Remember, privacy policies can evolve, so it's wise to review the latest version directly from the source if privacy is a major concern for you. I personally run DeepSeek as an installed app on my system via LM Studio. The link is listed. This negates the sharing of my personal information needed when installing the cell phone app. Please leave any questions or comments you may have, and I'll be happy to reply. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.